Hi everyone, welcome back to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix taskbar icons not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your taskbar icons you can see which is not working on your desktop or laptop in your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you a simple method how to fix this issue. The first option is, first you have to click on this start menu, then click on settings, then click on apps, click on apps and features. Here you have to check whether your app is installed or not. If it's not showing here, means your app is not installed. Then you have to reinstall your app or freshly install your app and check. After doing this, still you are facing the issue, then you have to check your date and time is correct or not. For that, if it is not correct, just right click on this date and time icon, then click on adjust date and time. You can set your date and time from here. After setting your date and time, below you will find additional setting. In that you will find sync now. Just click on sync now. After clicking sync now, if you are facing this type of issue, then you have to check your network connectivity. After that, then close this window and check whether your problem is solved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then you can try last and final method. Suppose if your Chrome is not working from your taskbar pin, just you have to unpin it from here. Right click on that, unpin from taskbar. After that, click on start menu, then type here Chrome. Right click on this Google Chrome. You can just pin to taskbar from here. If this option is not showing, just click on open file location. Select your Google Chrome, right click on that. Click on show more option. If you are using Windows 11, you will find this option. Click on show more option. If you are using Windows 10, you will find this type of options. After that, here you will find pin to taskbar. Just click on this and your Chrome will be pinned to taskbar. You can just open it from here. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix taskbar icons not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.